So first come on this website gigabyte.com. So you go Gigabyte official website, then you can see here the search button. Click here and then type your motherboard model number, which is Z890 AORUS Pro Ice, and then hit enter. Then click to, you can see here the product. And click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. Okay. Audio driver. Click to download. It is downloading. So it is done. Just single click to winrar file and again double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. It is close automatically, means install it. So guys, it is installed.